Hi friends, this is Agnilo Rajesh here from St. Angelo's Professional Education with another episode for inspiring conversations on employee satisfaction. Let's enjoy them together. Friends, praise your employees' hard work. In today's busy work environment, it's easy to overlook basics like a simple thank you for a job well done. A few sincere words of praise let your employees know that they are appreciated. Provide a reward for above average efforts. Incentives and rewards are common for employees in sales, but don't forget the rest of your team. Small rewards like gift cards, a lunch out, or tickets to a sporting event can go a long way without costing you a fortune. Offer flexible working hours. This sends the message that you realize the importance of an employee's outside life. Flexible working hours also make it easier for employees to avoid rush hour traffic, which is guaranteed to improve anyone's outlook. Friends, make your employees comfortable at work. Inexpensive things like free water, healthy snacks, and good chairs show your employees that you are interested in their comfort level. Communicate. Building a strong relationship with your employees ensures that they will talk to you about any problems, leading to a very strong resolution and a speedier return to productivity. In addition to regular communication, it's also a great idea to offer employees a suggestion box for making anonymous tips on improving the workplace. Friends, believe me, this will really improve the productivity of your organization. Friends, now more than ever, organizations need to engage employees. Rapid market changes, disruptive technologies, and opportunities available to your key talent have forced organizations to re-examine the connections between business performance, leadership, and employee satisfaction. Over the past several years, many organizations have focused on bringing in key financial indicators. By searching the global labor market for the most efficient resources, creating process improvements, and using technology to speed up operations, companies have improved financial performance and created competitive advantages. But downsizing, outsourcing, and offshoring will soon reach upper limits on their ability to improve organizational performance. In addition, these actions are available to all competitors. Some level of employee turnover is healthy for all companies. Employees who are not adding value or who are not good fit for the company leave, and this makes way for fresh, new employees and new energy. We could call this healthy turnover. By contrast, unwanted turnover happens when a company loses talented employees that they want to keep. Talented and motivated employees expect more from companies. For these employees, job satisfaction includes a different set of criteria. They want to be engaged and empowered. They want to be challenged and pushed. They want their work to have a meaning. They want personal and professional development opportunities so that they can grow and advance their careers. And these, my friends, are the productive employees which can take your company much higher. Friends, the problem with employee satisfaction is that it does not focus on the things that are important to your most talented staff. A happy or content employee might be quite satisfied with a job that requires very little effort. This employee might be perfectly content doing the bare minimum required to keep his or her job. These employees are likely very satisfied with their jobs. They are unlikely to leave the company, but they are not necessarily adding value. As a company, if you focus on increasing the wrong kind of employee satisfaction, you risk entrenching those employees who are adding the least value while driving your most talented employees out. Employee satisfaction is the terminology used to describe whether employees are happy and contented and fulfilling their desires and needs at work. Many measures ensure that employee satisfaction is a factor in employee motivation, employee goal achievement, and positive employee morale in the workplace. Employee satisfaction can also be a downer if mediocre employees stay because they are satisfied with your work environment. We all need to be cautious about these points as well. Friends, factors contributing to employee satisfaction include treating employees with respect, providing regular employee recognition, empowering employees, offering above industry average benefits and compensation, providing employee perks and company activities, and positive management within a success framework of goals, measurements, and expectations. I think if you meet this, it will do a lot of good to you and your employees. Employee satisfaction is looked at areas such as management, understanding of mission and vision, empowerment, teamwork, communication, and co-worker interaction. The facets of employee satisfaction measured vary from company to company. A second method used to measure employee satisfaction is meeting with small groups of employees and asking the same questions verbally. Depending on the culture of the company, either method can contribute knowledge about employee satisfaction to managers and employees. Exit interviews are another way to assess employee satisfaction. I'm sure all these points that you have gone through will go a long way in making your organization successful. Before having a satisfied customer, you need to have a satisfied employee, because he is the person whose productivity is going to take your company to better heights. Friends, employee satisfaction is a key factor for the success of any organization. I'm sure you will take keen interest in this topic and implement some strategies that we discussed. This is Agnilo Rajesh from St. Angelo's Professional Education, doing additional one more episode for inspiring conversations. Thanks a lot and wish you all the best.